You're watching the weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets. On Tuesday, Chinese President Xi Jinping promised to liberalize China and lower import tariffs on cars. He said the country will take measures to open up its markets to foreign investors, raise the foreign ownership limit in the automobile sector, and protect intellectual property of foreign firms. Last week, the Japanese yen was flat, while the euro strengthened on comments from a Monetary Council member that the ECB will end asset buying. This helped to lift the euro-dollar close to the 1.24 level. The British pound also strengthened last week. Ian McCafferty, a member of the Bank of England Monetary Policy Committee, stated on Tuesday that UK interest rates should be raised again without delay. The earnings season is about to begin. According to some analysts, 52 S&P 500 companies have issued negative earnings guidance, whilst 53 have issued positive guidance. This leaves the number of companies issuing negative guidance well below the 5-year average of 80, and the number issuing positive guidance well above the 5-year average of 28. Bitcoin ended last week lower. China is also looking to develop its own cryptocurrency, a People's Bank of China official stated on Monday. There's been speculation that the sell-off in cryptocurrencies last week was partly caused by investors raising cash to pay their tax bills for 2017, due on April the 17th. The price of gold held steady last week as the dollar remained little changed against a basket of other currencies. The dollar index has been on a 3-day losing streak since last Friday, when disappointing NFP figures were revealed. Although rising US inventories put pressure on crude, reduced worries about a potential global trade war between the US and China helped oil prices rise last week. Oil market participants also kept an eye on developments in Syria. You've been watching the weekly CFD overview of the global financial markets.